Let's dive into this skill of rolling. This time we're gonna talk about the Rollie Pollie. So this is for little ones who maybe are only rolling to the left and not the right, or only rolling back to belly and not belly to back. So we really just wanna get them in the pattern of like, get their body used to rolling. So I call this the Rollie Pollie. So this little one is 6 months. He conquered rolling a while ago, so he's gonna make this look easy. But we're gonna demonstrate this here about how I'm gonna go from back to belly. I'm gonna go behind his leg. See if he'll do that good. And then when we're gonna go from belly to back, I'm gonna go on the front of his thigh and I'm gonna roll him over. Hi, you've got it. Good job. And then we're just gonna keep going. So I'm gonna show a demonstration back and forth. Ready? Boop, 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 boop. And then we're gonna go back the other way. Ba, 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 ba. You got it. You got it. Good. Keep going. There you go. Good. Good. Pop, 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 pop. Good job. So again, you're gonna go all the way one direction, all the way to the other direction, which is called the Rollie Pollie. Again, he made it look easy and he was showing some of his strength with his core by lifting up. If your little one, this is hard for them, you'll go a little slower and you might bring that hand around to help support their head. Let's see if he'll show one more time and I'll give a demonstration. So we might go really slow, really help them over. We might pull out an arm to help them and then keep going. Keep going, bop, 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 bop. Here you might bring that hand around just to catch them and keep going. Good job. And that's the Rollie Pollie.